Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make that easy crochet sunflower motif. We can do that in a few minutes. It's so easy. I give all the details in the video. I make one more this motif because the second part of this video we will turn that motifs to the a little back. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your watching. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our sunflower motif. Let's start that. I use cotton yarns and using 5mm hook. They are not so thick. Firstly, make a circle like that. Grab the yarn, insert in it and take it like that and chain 3. This is our first double crochet and we make in that hole 15 more. Yarn over, insert that space, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. We make totally 16 double crochet in that magic ring. Make totally 16 double crochet and pull that yarn tightly. Then insert our first chain 3 stop and grab that 2 yarns together for not opening that starting magic ring again. Okay, then chain 3, sorry 4. Chain 3 is for a double crochet, chain 1 for the space. Yarn over and insert the next stitch and make a double crochet. Chain 1, insert the next one and make a double crochet. Chain 1, insert the next one and make a double. So we will make again 16 double crochet, only the difference is we have a single crochet between them. Finish that round 2 and turn to you. I make the last one and make 1 chain and insert my hook, third stitch, third, and grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. We finish our work with that color of yarn. Make a single crochet and lock that, then cut that yarn. Take our second color. I use yellow. Which color you want, you can use it. Insert any of space which you want. Then chain 3. Yarn over, insert the same space, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the same space, grab the yarn and pull through 2. I have 3 loops on my hook and pull through all together. Then chain 2. Yarn over, insert the next space, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the same space, pull through 2. We have, you see, 4 loops. Only starting point we have 3 loops. Every space after that we have 4 loops. Pull through all together, then chain 2. Repeat that all of the round. 1, 2 and 3, 4 loops all together and chain 2. I finish that and turn to you. I made the last one and chain 2, insert the first, chain 3 stop and make a slip stitch, join with a slip stitch, Then I finish my work with that color, chain one more and lock that yarn, then cut it. We are on the round 4. I take my new color and insert which space you want. I insert here, grab the yarn, make a knot, then chain 3. We do the same thing as round 3. Only difference is here we made that posts 3 times. Here we will make 4 times. Like that, yarn over, insert the same space, grab the yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the same space, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the same space and pull through 2. I have 4 loops for the first post, then pull through all together. Chain 3. The space distance is bigger than round 3. Yarn over, insert the next space, grab the yarn, pull through 2. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and the last one 4. I have 5 loops, pull through all together, then chain 3. Insert the next space, also hide these tails too. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through all together, chain 3. Keep crochet like that. That's round. I finish that round and turn to you. Finish that round, last chain 3 and insert the first, chain 3, join with a slip stitch and lock that yarn and cut it. After that round, so in the 5th round we will turn our motif circle to the square. I take my green yarn. Which color you want? It's your choice. Okay. Insert here. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice. Insert the same space. Grab the yarn and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Pull through 3 times with 2 loops. Yarn over twice, insert the same stitch and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is our first corner. Okay. Chain 1, insert the next space and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, yarn over, insert the next space and make 3 half double crochet, yarn over and pull through all through together, yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through 1 time, yarn over, insert the same and pull through all together. So we make here 3 triple. First is 5 chain. After chain 1, after 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 half double crochet, then again chain 1 and make the next space 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. So we come with double crochet and finish with double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over twice, insert the next space and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Pull through 3 times with 2 loops, so we make a triple. Yarn over twice and make 1 more triple. 1, 2, 3. yarn over twice and insert the same. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 3. Also you can make chain 2. It's your choice for your it's about for your yarn and hook. Okay, yarn over twice again and insert the same space and make 3 more triples. 1, 2 and 3. Again we will make chain 1 and here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, insert the next space and make 3 half double crochet. 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and make 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and come to the second corner, third corner also. This is the first, second and here third. Chain 1 and make 3 triple, chain 3, 3 triple, make the corner. After here 3 double crochet, 3 half double, 3 double. Again the fourth corner, 3 triple, chain 3, 3 triple, chain 1, 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet and chain 1. When I come here I will turn to you. I'm here the last. Chain 1, yarn over twice, insert the first corner, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make 3 triple here. This is second one and this is the third one. Chain 3, insert the first, chain 5, stop and join with a slip stitch. We turn our motif shape to square now. Then make a 1 chain and lock our yarn and cut that yarn. We are on the last round. I don't have the same quality, so I use that yarn double folded. Okay, here is we want to our motif looking rigid form, not so salash. Okay, so insert my yarn here. Insert my yarn on the corner. Make a single crochet. Then make 1 more single crochet in the corner. I skipped that first stitch and you remember here we have 3 triples, so we have 3 stitch. I skip that one and insert the second one and make a single crochet. Insert the third one and make a single crochet. I skip that chain 1 space and insert a double crochet stitch, 1 and 2 and 3. Again skip that chain 1 and insert that we will make a single crochet in that 3 stitch. So this is the first one, this is the second one and this is the third one. Skip that chain 1, insert the double crochet stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Skip that chain 1, insert the triples, 1, 2, 3. When we come to the corner, make 2 single crochet, chain 2, then make 2 single crochet and turn corner. After make the same thing you know, we have 3 stitch, but we skip the first one, make 2 stitch here, skip that chain one and make only double crochet stitches, skip that chain one, make only half double crochet stitch, skip that chain one, make double crochet, skip that chain one and make 1, 2. Also you can make here, I forgot that, I remember we skip that first, so you can skip that the last stitch. Okay, skip that third one and insert the corner and make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and make 2 double crochet and turn the corner, then keep crocheting. Skip the chain once and skip the last and the first stitch. Other stitch you make a single crochet and make on the corner 2 single, 2 chain and 2 single, and finish that round and we finish our motif. I'm on the last, skip that, insert the corner, 1 and 3, then chain 3, stitch, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch, then cut your yarn. Okay, then hide this tail. Okay, after I will hide them, this is our sunflower motif. I hope you like it. It's so easy, only a few minutes you can do that, because we use a little thicker yarn and thick hook, big number hook, so we can make it easily. The second part of this video, we will turn these 2 motifs. I make one more here, these 2 motifs to the sunflower bag. I hope you like it. It's so easy too. If you have any questions, you can leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. Also, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Thanks for your watching. Hope you to see in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.